Hi guys, welcome to another video tutorial with BuildWithMrLee. Today's video tutorial we are going to be looking at how to hide any file or folder on your computer. And the only software you'll be needing is Git Bash. There's a video on how to install Git Bash on my YouTube channel. I'll give you a link in the description. So let's delve right into it. So on my left hand side I have Git Bash open, on the right hand side I have documents. So here I've actually cd into the documents directory and I want to hide this folder called books. So the moment I put chattr plus h, which is means to hide, and I put books, to complete it I just use my tab. I hit that button. You see that the books folder is gone. You don't actually see the books folder anymore. Here it's gone. So in case I want to actually bring back the books folder, I type chattr, then I put -h books and I press enter. You see the books folder is going to come back. So that's how you can actually hide any folder or file inside your file explorer using your Git Bash. Thank you. See you in my next video.